channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of Islam, one of the world's major religions. Whether you're curious, want to learn more, or simply seek to understand, this video is for you. Islam originated in the 7th century CE in the Arabian Peninsula, in a city called Mecca. It began with the Prophet Muhammad, who Muslims believe received revelations from God, which are compiled in Islam's holy book, the Qur'an. At the heart of Islam is the belief in one God, known in Arabic as Allah. This belief in the oneness of God is called Tawhid. Muslims also believe in all the prophets sent by God, including Abraham, Moses, and Jesus. Muhammad is considered the last prophet, and his teachings and actions are recorded in the Hadith. The core practices of Islam are known as the 5 pillars. These are the foundation of a Muslim's faith and practice. 1. Shahada, faith, the declaration of faith. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. 2. Salah, prayer, performing 5 daily prayers facing Mecca. These prayers are a direct link between the worshipper and God. 3. Zakat, charity, giving to those in need, usually 2.5% of one's savings annually. It's a way to purify wealth and help those less fortunate. 4. Sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan, from dawn to sunset, to cultivate self-discipline and empathy for the poor. 5. Hajj, pilgrimage, the pilgrimage to Mecca, which every Muslim must undertake at least once in their lifetime if they're able. Islam places a strong emphasis on justice, compassion, and helping others. The Quran and Hadith provide guidance on ethical behavior, encouraging Muslims to act with integrity and kindness. There are many misconceptions about Islam. For instance, Islam is often portrayed as intolerant, but the Quran explicitly teaches respect for all human beings and their right to freedom of belief. Islam also emphasizes peace, as the very word Islam is derived from salam, meaning peace. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided a clear introduction to Islam. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.